XRP's broken and you're gonna get fucking rich. This is not clickbait. You need to watch this. I promise you, you're not gonna regret this, and I am not bullshitting. So we are gonna break this down. I don't even know where to start. I was gonna be doing some videos explaining why XRP has the potential to hit 10,000. My plan was to do a series explaining these steps. I was just a basic video talking about just the base burn rate. I wanted to do an updated video expanding on the load fee multiplier that is applied onto the base burn rate. So I was thinking about doing an advanced video. I was planning on recording it tonight, and I went to go check on some things between the load rates and the base rates, and I started paying attention to the live transactions that were happening with XRP. Something isn't adding up. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just going to explain it like we're 12. So let's imagine the XRP ledger is like a big toll road where cars, being the transactions, can drive through. The base fee is 10 drops. So just so we can understand what drops are, because not everybody's going to know, one XRP is 1,000,000 drops, going from the base of how much one XRP is, going to all the decimal points that the transaction in the XRP ledger can handle, going down to 1 drop, which is 1,000,000th of an XRP. 10 drops, the next decimal point. 100 drops, be the next decimal point. The base fee is 10 drops. That's the base fee per transaction. Now, this number is set in the software code. So the load fee is if there's a lot of cars on the road, like there's a lot of heavy traffic in the network, this load fee is the traffic booster might kick in and increase the toll a bit. So it's kind of like a multiplier, right? So this is called the load factor. It automatically goes up when the road is busy. There's a lot of transactions going down the road. So the final transaction fee will be the base fee times the load factor. Now, understanding the load factor is it takes that base fee of 10 drops, okay? And then it's like a multiplier. If it's really fast, the load factor will go to 2, which means you may pay 20 drops, which would be 0.00002 XRP, okay? Not a lot. And if you have like a load factor of 3, meaning there's a lot of traffic, you may get 30 drops. Small amounts, right? This is supposed to be really like fractions of of an XRP. So the burn rate is supposed to be there, like a lot of burn rate, like a burn rate when there's a lot of transactions, but